Do you ever feel like there just are not enough hours in the day? No matter how hard you work, your to-do list keeps on growing and growing and growing. And you're constantly playing catch up. You, my friend, are not alone. But what if I told you that the key to productivity isn't about doing more? It's about managing your time smarter. Unfortunately, we now live in a fast-paced world where distractions are endless and burnout is real. I've been there, working late, feeling exhausted, and still not getting everything done. But once I discovered the power of structured time management, everything changed for me. For those of you new here, my name is Yann Bakebongo. I'm a digital entrepreneur and a growth strategist. Throughout my career, I've helped countless professionals optimize their schedules, boost productivity, and reclaim their time. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to master time management in 2025 using proven techniques backed by science. In this video, we will cover the latest research on productivity, the power of time blocking, and how to design a daily routine that works for you. But let's understand exactly why time management matters more than ever. A recent 2024 study found that professionals who implemented structured time management techniques saw a 30% increase in productivity. When you put all those saved hours together, that's like getting an extra 8 hours in your work week without working longer hours. When you plan your day effectively, you reduce drastically mental strain and decision fatigue because, simply put, you have limited amounts of decisions and free will in one given day. Study shows that structured schedules lower stress level by 72%, which makes you more focused and efficient. The average person spends nearly 5 hours a day on unplanned tasks and distractions and procrastination. Imagine what you could achieve if you could just reclaim just half of that time. What's extremely important is getting into the habit of tracking how you currently spend your time in 1 week. You need to identify where your biggest time leaks are. Now let's go over the time management framework for 2025. Time blocking is one of the most powerful time management techniques. Instead of reacting to tasks as they come up, you proactively assign dedicated blocks of time for different activities. And here's how to apply time blocking. In the morning, you need to focus on high priority deep work. At midday, you need to focus on meetings and collaboration. And your afternoons should be for administrative tasks and planning. A 2024 study found that professionals who use time blocking experience an 82% increase in focus and 67% improvement in work-life balance. This isn't just about getting more done, it's about working smarter. Next, we need to talk about task prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. If you spend the entire day answering emails but never work on big projects, you are stuck in reactive mode. The Heisenhower matrix helps you categorize tasks effectively. 1, urgent and important. Do it now. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. Urgent but not important. Delegate it. Urgent and important. Do it now. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. Urgent but not important. Delegate it. Neither urgent nor important. Eliminate it. Using this system help professionals reduce time spent on low priority activities by 35% and complete high value tasks faster. Now let's talk about the Pomodoro technique. If you struggle with distraction, this is the perfect solution for your productivity. Work in 25-minute sprints, followed by a 5-minute break. And after 4 cycles, take a longer break. Why does it work, you may ask? It maximizes concentration, it reduces burnout, and it helps you build momentum. A 2024 study showed that professionals who use the Pomodoro technique improved task completion rates by 35% and reduced procrastination significantly. Now let's optimize your daily routine. Success isn't about cramming more into your day. It's about structuring your time wisely. And here's how to build a routine that sets you up for success. Your morning routine should set clear intentions for your day. You need to prioritize high-impact work and avoid checking emails first thing in the morning. And in the evening, you need to review your day's accomplishments. You need to plan for tomorrow's top priority. And you need to disconnect from work for better sleep. Start with just 1 structured time block tomorrow. Now let's talk about overcoming time management challenges. Use focus mode on your devices, silence notifications, and set clear boundaries for deep work. Second, underestimate task duration. Use the 3-point estimation method. Plan for the best case, the worst case, and the realistic time frames. Third, falling off track. Be flexible. Instead of feeling defeated, adjust and restart your schedule the next day. You need to identify your biggest time management struggle and you need to apply one fix today. Now, here's your 7-day time management challenge. You need to apply just one of these strategies for the next 7 days. Whether it's time blocking, it's the Pomodoro technique, or prioritization, you need to commit to it and track your progress. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest time management challenge. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. When you manage it effectively, you don't just get more done, you create more freedom, reduce stress, and unlock your full potential. The key isn't working harder, it's working smarter. Start today.